Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the how the group games helps or advantage. What are the advantages or merits of group games? Okay, so how the group games are helps to between the person is like cultivate cooperation, mutual understanding, team spirit, obedience to rule, so friendship determination to reach the goal. So all these things are coming from group games only. Okay, and also so we get entertained by playing the games. Okay, and the number of circus companies have been decreasing. The main reasons why the number of circus companies have been decreasing nowadays, and what are the reasons behind this. So all these things we discussed here in this class. Before going to discuss all these things, just we recall what we discussed in last class. Okay, so in last class we discussed about the rules. What are the rules of Coco game? Okay, what are the main rules of Coco game? Okay, first here shall we discuss. So this is this area. That means this is free zone. I can run in any direction and touch. So this is in a free zone, right? So this is in a free zone. I can run. I can turn in any direction and touch. So second one. So one should not change the direction. Okay, one should not change the direction. Yeah, third one. So one should not get up without giving go. Okay. So next one should touch the back and say go. So this one should touch the back and say go. Okay, next go should not be given rushing in the middle. Go should not be given rushing in the middle. Next one. So yeah, while running one should not stop. While running one should not step on the middle line. So you should, okay, you should not take the step in the middle line. Next, when small whistle is blown, when small whistle is blown, foul signal is given as to be as to given go in the opposite direction. So when the whistle is blown, so that means foul signal. So when the foul signal is given, the go should be given in the opposite direction. Okay. So next, the runners also explained how they are escaped being the touching team. So your first one, okay. So while running, I escaped by moving like a chain. While running, I escaped by moving like a chain. Okay. Second one. So here, person is staying here. So I ran fast and escaped. Here, ran fast and escaped. Third one. So I moved through three lines like a chain. Okay, here you should observe. So, okay, here moved like three lines. 1, 2, 3. So I moved through three lines like a chain. Next. So I moved in the small circle only and escaped. So here moved in small circle and escaped. I moved the small circle only and escaped. So next, while running, I escaped by changing the direction. So a person is standing here. So while running, he escaped by changing his direction. Okay. So now let us see. You should know this as the group games. So what are the advantages of group games means? As the group games gives us cultivate cooperation, mutual understanding between the team members, and team spirit and obedience to rule. Okay, so and friendship, determination to reach the goal, etc. So they develop social relations and harmony. Okay, I will once again repeat it. So what are the advantages or benefits or merits of group games? As the group games gives us cultivate cooperation, mutual understanding, team spirit, obedience to rule, friendship, determination to reach the goal, etc. etc. So they develop social relations and harmony. So along with we get entertainment by playing the games. So in the same way, circus and fairs also provides us entertainment. So like circus and fairs, so group games also give entertainment by playing the games. Okay. So now, why the circus companies have been decreasing nowadays? What are the main reasons for this? The number of circus companies have been decreasing. The number of famous circus companies have been decreasing. The main reasons why they are decreasing. So the animal welfare organization protest against the use of animals in the circus for entertainment, and the training given to the animals by using violence. Okay. So the animal welfare organization protest against the use of animals in the circus company for entertainment and the training given to the animals by using violence. Next, people have lost interest in the circus as they are easily getting the entertainment from TV, computer and mobile. Okay. Along with, so lack of skilled artists and the encouragement to their art, and also maintenance of required facilities to the artists. Okay. Artists of the circus is very expensive. Next, you should know this also. So Prakash Padukone is the youngest badminton player to win the national championship. So Prakash Padukone is the youngest badminton player to win the national championship. Next, famous Coco player Usha Anantaraman of Karnataka is the first player to win the Rani Lakshmibai Award. Okay. Here, famous Coco player Usha Anantaraman of Karnataka is the first player to win the Rani Lakshmibai Award. Okay. So next, Youth Services and Sports Department has been managing many sports schools and sports hostels all over states. Okay. So in the year 1981, a fire accident took place at Venice Circus at Bangalore. So 92 people were burned to death. And 300 people were wounded in this fire accident. So exhibition of animals and the astonishing feats were of great attraction in the olden days, but efforts have been going on to ban the use of animals in the circus, as violent methods are used to train the animals. So this is complete of your lesson. Next class we discuss more things. Thank you.